Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the bleach dispenser in the Maytag washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new bleach dispenser. This bleach dispenser is mounted on the front left corner of the top panel under the lid. It drips the bleach into the tub during the wash cycle. The most common reasons to replace the bleach dispenser is if it's broken and won't stay in place or is simply missing. To get to the part, we need to open the lid. This is the part we're going to replace. This is our dispenser. I'm going to lift it up from underneath slightly so we can insert the putty knife here, right there in the center. Press it in and pry it out. Then I'm going to pull it out. This is the old bleach dispenser next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, so we've got here our new bleach dispenser, and I'm going to install it. We've got here this tab which goes underneath first, and this is a locking tab at the back of it. So we're going to slide it in, press it in, and down. And now we can close the lid. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.